everyone, and happy holidays. I've got another wig review for you. This one is not a lace wig, so I did not have to cut off anything, but it does have a very long part. It's a 6-inch part, and I think it looks pretty natural, don't you? Okay, let me tell you what it is. It is Freetress equal 6-inch lace part wig, and the style is MAC, and the color is GXBronze. So here's the box. It's a very nice box, very big. And here's what it looks like in the back. And the GXBronze color has like a color 1B, 2, and 4 in it. That's how I would describe it. Okay, now let me show you the part again. I did not have to cut off any lace. And the 6-inch part, the only thing that I did is I put some light concealer on the inside of the part. I just ran it along the part, and then I took some concealer and kind of dotted it here on my head as well. But that's all that I've done. This is what it looks like when you pull it back. You can leave some of your own hair out, but I chose not to. Okay, I just slick mine back, but here's what the part looks like up close. Okay, and you can see it has all these beautiful, vibrant colors. So let me show you what it looks like standing. Okay, so this is how long it is, about chest length in the front. And then let me turn around. You can see that it's pretty long. Let me stand up. Okay, what do you guys think? I actually really like it. I think that it looks so natural, and that is so important to me. You know, I do not want to look like I've got a wig on top of my head, and I love changing things around. I just got rid of my 24-inch braids, and I may go back to some extremely long crochet hair as well that looks like Indian hair, but it's actually synthetic hair. I'll do a review on that later. But this is really nice. I really like it. It's soft, it feels tight enough, and it's big head friendly. I don't have a big head because I don't have very much hair under there. So what I've done is, when you have the elastic in the back and you usually connect them like this, well, what I do is I connect it this way, so that it's tighter and it's just more snug. So this isn't going anywhere. I don't need any hairpins or anything. And it does have the 1 comb in the back and the 2 on the sides, which I am not using because that pulls your hair out. And I have very precious few hairs left, so I do not want them being pulled out. And frankly, I don't need it. I put a cap on my head under this. So what do you guys think? I think it's natural. It's very bouncy. It's pretty. It has all these different colors in it. And I think this is my new style. I'll probably wear it for New Year's as well. So let me know if you have any questions below. And as always, please subscribe and hit that bell button and like. Okay, take care. Have a great day.